ExTox Gas Measuring Systems. ET-4D2 Resetting Alarms. Hello, on this control unit I will show you how to assess and reset alarms. In my example, you can see that in channel 3, alarm 1 is triggered. First, you have to select the channel by pressing F1. Alarm 1 cannot be reset since the alarm condition is still pending. If the gas level falls below the alarm level, then alarm 1 will disappear by itself. I will simulate this now. It is different when alarm 2 is triggered as well. Now I have two alarms on channel 3, the first and the second one. Alarm 1 is represented by the yellow flashing light, and the red light represents the horn. If the horn is put on the corresponding relay, you can reset it by pressing F5. Alarm 2 is self-holding and can only be reset if the gas level is below the alarm level. If the gas level is below the alarm level, then alarm 1 disappears on its own again, and now you can reset alarm 2. Press F2 to select alarm 2. Press F3 to reset alarm 2. Thanks for watching. ExTox Gas Measuring Systems.